Hello everyone. Hmm. Uh, Do you know the difference between wheel and wood? So let's learn in 20 seconds. Hmm. Sentence 1. I want to be a teacher. It's normal. I would like to be a teacher. It's polite and formal. Second, open the door. It's command. Would you like to open the door? Polite request. Introduce yourself. It's direct. Would you like to introduce yourself? It's polite request. So, if we use would instead will, it makes our sound more polite and respectful. So, try and use would today and makes your sound more polite. If you want to more tricks like this, follow my channel. Bye bye.